So ever since I started Kayak USA here on YouTube, I've worked with a lot of great companies. I've done partnership videos with a lot of great companies, but there's one company in particular that I've really wanted to work with ever since I started the YouTube channel. And about 2 or 3 months ago, they finally reached out to me. They said they wanted to partner up, and it's official now. I can announce it to you guys that I finally made the partnership. They sent me a box of gear that I want to unbox right here on the channel, show you everything they sent, and make the announcement. Stick around. All right guys, so I am super stoked to make this video for you guys today. I wanted to share this with you ever since they reached out to me, but I've been waiting and waiting. The coronavirus kind of set everything back for a little bit, but today I can officially announce that I have partnered with, I got it on a jersey here, Lose. They reached out to me a few months ago and we worked everything out and was able to officially partner up. So I get to add their logo to my bass boat and all my gear now. Check that out. This jersey was actually made by a company called Young Speeds. I'll link them below. They make custom fishing jerseys and I thought it was really cool. They reached out to me and when I let them know about the partnership a while back, they sent me this awesome jersey. It's got all of my sponsors. It's got Gator Guards, Waterland, Mystery Tackle Box, Bixby, YOLO Tech. It's got them all on it. This jersey is awesome, but I'll link this below. If you want to make your own custom fishing jersey, you can click the link in the video description below, go straight to their site, and you can actually design the jersey and make it how you want. But this video is about this company right here, Lose. They finally reached out to me. It is official. We partnered up. So you're going to be seeing a lot more fishing content this year, especially on the bass boat. I know a lot of you guys want me to stick directly to the kayaks, but I'm going to be doing both kayak and bass boat, and you're going to see a lot more Lose gear on my boat this year. Speaking of Lose gear, I'm going to pull the box over here that they sent because I know that's what y'all want to see. And let me get this seat out of the way because the box, it's a pretty big box, and I need somewhere to set it. So we'll just use the kayak. Let me get the box. Here is the box. I don't know if I can't even get this whole box on the camera. Let's see. Let me move this pedal drive. There we go. It's big enough. How can I set this up here? That's good right there, I guess. So I've already cracked it open, as you can see, because I couldn't wait to go through it. So let's see what all they sent. If I get this box folded out so we can both see. It's official. I got the Lose decal. I'm gonna add it to the box in here. And we've got a couple of tournament speed spools. Oh yeah, look at this. Check that one out. This is the MSB Lose speed spool, the tournament NP. It's got the red accents. And I think this looks like the same one. Yeah, so this is a pair of them. And the gear ratio is, where's the gear ratio on these? 5:6 to 1, 5:6 to 1. So these are both 5:6 to 1 tournament NP Lose speed spools. Man, these things are sick. I've already got a couple of these on the bass boat, so I know all about these. All right, let me set these down. I got to go through the rest of this. I'm excited. I haven't pulled anything out of this box besides just cracking it open and looking in it. Let's see, this one's on top. I feel like a kid at Christmas right now. The Crush. This is the Mock Crush spinning reel. Get off. Yeah. So my buddy Andrew Norby's actually got this one on his boat and I've been jealous. I've been wanting to pick this one up for a while. Check that out. This is the Mock Crush spinning rod and reel. This is the combo. Let me tighten that up. Oh, if I don't knock everything down trying to do it. Check that out. It feels so good too. I cannot wait to go fishing now. Looks like I'm gonna have to order me some fishing line. But check, that is the Mock Crush CT1. I'm not sure what that means. I'm gonna have to look that one up. I know Andrew's got the green one. I think that's the Mock Crush 1 maybe? I don't know, I might be wrong. I'll have to look through the site and see. What is this one here? This is the David Fritz on the speed stick with the matching reel. This is also one of their combos. Oh man, this is so nice. This has got the micro eyes at the front. What's the rod? This is a 7-foot medium heavy. Man, that feels good. Oh God, that is so nice. This is also a 5-4-1. This is the David Fritz Crankbait series on a speed stick. I'll get some up close videos of these in just a minute. Let me get it all out. All right, what do we got for the next one? This is also orange, so this is also one of their crushes. Man, I'm so excited right now. Check that out. Man, these things look so sick. Lew's makes some beautiful rods and reels. And I love their grips, man. Those big old fat Lew's comfort grips. So this is the Mock Crush, and this is a 7-5-1 gear ratio. Look at that. Man, it feels so good. Golly. Look at the spin on that thing. I hope you guys can see this. I will get an up close shot in just a minute. So that's the Mock Crush 1. Let me keep going through here. Yep, it's another David Fritz. This one is a 5-4-1. So I got a pair of the Fritz 5-4-1s. If I can get all this off without tearing my eyes up. There it goes. I probably should have unwrapped all this before I started filming, but I wanted to unbox it with you guys. Golly, man, these things feel so good. What's the length on this one? This is a medium heavy 7-foot. Man, look at the action in that tip. I don't know if y'all can see the action in that. Look at that. Man, that is so awesome. All right, what else we got? Another Mock Crush. Is this another 7? I was really hoping 7-5-1. So yeah, I got 2 7-5-1 gear ratios, man. That is awesome. I don't think I've even got a 7-5-1 on my boat right now. Now I got a pair of them, a pair of the Mock Crushes. This has got a stiffer rod too. This is a medium heavy, fast action Mock Crush combo. Man, that is so nice. All right, I'm digging back in. So I guess the 2 reels that they sent that I opened the speed spools are separate because I've got 2 other tournament edition rods here. I'm gonna put those speed spools on. I got these wrapped together. Come on. There we go. Which side does it open from? Yeah, this is their new one here. Check that out. This is the TP1 Speed Stick. What action is this? This is a medium heavy, fast action 7-footer also. And that one is so stiff, look at that. That is gonna be a great fluke rod right there. And I'm gonna pair it up with one of the reels, the speed spools that they sent. I'm gonna throw them on right now. Heck yeah, check that out, guys. That is so nice. I feel like a kid at Christmas. I know I keep saying that, but it feels so great to get some new rods because I'm telling you, I was wearing my other ones out. Man, that action feels so good. So, and I'm thinking this is gonna be the same thing. It looks like the same rod, but the action might be different. Let's see if I can get it out of this bag. All right, so it's still a TP1 speed stick. This one is a 7-foot medium action. So this one is a medium, and it's got the fast action tip on it too. These are gonna be great top water lures. And that is it in the box. So now I can get this box out of your way. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this other speed spool on here. Man, that is so freaking nice, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bait casting setups and 1 the Mock Crush spinning reel, which is great because my spinning reel, the one I've been using lately is just plumb wore out from going to saltwater with it. This thing is gonna be awesome. All right, so here's some of the up close. There's that jersey, man. That jersey looks so freaking awesome. They put my name right across the back. So here's the rod. This is the David Fritz. If I can get my camera to focus, there it is right there. Look at that. I love the copper orange color that they add to it. And this is on their crankbait rod. That is gonna be awesome. That one is 7 foot. I think most of these were 7 foot. This is the TP1X, I believe it is, the speed stick, and it's paired up with the 2 speed spools that you've seen me put on. I believe these are the TS1 SMP speed spools, and man, these things are awesome. I've actually got 2 of these on the boat right now. And here is the Mock Crush. Check out that, man, those colors are so sick. And I love the handles Luz puts on their reels. They're so comfortable. You can fish all day long with them. And then so I got 2 of those, 2 of those, and 2 of those. And then here is the spinning rod. Check that out. And this is the Mock Crush CT1. That is gonna be so freaking awesome. I cannot wait to get some line on these and get them rigged up. All right, guys, so I hope you are ready for some fishing content because it is coming. I cannot wait to get these lined up and put on the boat and put on the kayak and do some adventures and do some real good tests with these rods. Some of these I've never used before. The speed spools, I've got 2 or 3 of them here on the boat right now. I've always loved their speed spool reels, their bait casting reels, and I can't wait to get to use these. Huge shout out to Luz for reaching out to me. I'm so glad we finally were able to partner up, and I'm excited to see what the future holds. Y'all stay tuned for some fishing videos coming up real soon, some camping videos coming up real soon, and I'll catch you guys next Thursday at 2 p.m. Peace.